As gas prices tend to creep up, I think this is the best time to buy an EV, and most people out there don't even realize it. Every time the gas goes up or spikes, people tend to panic. But here's the thing, it's not about the price of today, but a certain pattern.
Yeah, a lot of unhappy drivers on this side of town, Chris, as you said, well over $5 an average. And this is actually one of the highest gas prices that we're seeing here in this city. I'll give you another example. If you're just joining us in our 8 o'clock hour, look at that, $5.99 for regular gas, $6.29 for extra, and $6.89 for Supreme. It really is just a sight to see. But again, this is just this particular gas station on 11th Avenue and 51st Street. Now, there on your screen, you can see it's not just here. Prices are up across the region. New York State, for instance.
With an EV, you're not playing a guessing game anymore because charging at home is more consistent and less stressful, much less stressful than watching the gas price jump 20 to 30 cents or possibly even more.
AAA estimates it costs about 43 cents per kilowatt hour to charge in Arizona. The Tesla Model Y gets roughly 0.25 kilowatt hours per mile, meaning it costs almost 11 cents per mile. But if you charge at home, that drops down to around 4 cents per mile. But regardless of where you charge, electric vehicle drivers have more predictable power-up costs.
And the biggest thing that we notice with the EV charging and at the public stations is that number doesn't really fluctuate very often. The averages kind of stay the same week after week, and we cannot say the same for gas prices.
In most cases, charging your vehicle is equivalent to $1 to $2 per gallon. Yep, it's that much cheaper. Just imagine waking up every morning to a full tank from charging from home. No lines, no stress at the pump whatsoever. Now, for those that do charge frequently at superchargers and other charging station, it's still much cheaper than gas unless you travel crazy distances. EVs cost way less to charge than filling up a gas tank, especially during these times. Now, when it comes to maintenance, if you were to buy an EV, it's much less than the gasoline vehicle. No oil changes at all, and less moving parts, and less moving parts means equals less things to break. Now, EVs aren't perfect. When you have to do long road trips, it does take some planning and some patience. But other than that, they're a blast to drive. When it comes to city driving, it's really hard to beat an EV vehicle. But when gas prices rise, many people complain, but smart people do the math. So this window of opportunity may be the best time to take advantage of an EV, as who knows where this gas price war is going. As you know, summer is coming, and during the summertime, gas tends to be a little higher, and it is predicted on the West Coast side it could reach $10 to $12. So just imagine how much East Coast drivers will have to face at the pump. Would you ever switch to an EV? If not, leave a comment down below. More videos to come. Stay safe out there, guys, and I do hope this war ends soon, sooner than later. But hey, it's out of my hands. It's out of our hands, guys. So again, stay safe out there. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Peace.